Hi, good day, itZATECH is here, your tech tips buddy. So guys, we have here a 20k Pesos build gaming PC. The specs are INPLAY casing tempered glass, GTX 1050, 4GB RAM DDR4, solid state drive 512GB, Intel Core i5 10th Gen, MSI motherboard, power supply and AIO liquid cooler. These is not all brand new, but at least I have a gaming PC in very affordable price. The good thing is I can upgrade the other parts if I have a budget, like the motherboard, memory, graphics card and the power supply. The full specs and the store where this specs from is on the description below. So now, let's start building. Alright guys, all parts are working well. You can see we managed to start it and load into its BIOS. So that's for all. Hope this video give you an idea that you don't need a big budget to have a good PC. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.